Welcome on YouTube. This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today. Today I present to you Jamaican oxtail. Yeah? Today I'm gonna show you how to make your Jamaican oxtail. Alright? So stay tuned while I set up and go through the process with you.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe
What you mean?
if I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So, as you can see, we have about a pound of oxtail today. I cooking a small amount, yeah? We have some of our season here. We have some black pepper, we have some pimento seed, we have some paprika, also some dry basil. Over here we have some chopped ginger, scotch bonnet, we have some chopped green onion, also we have some fresh thyme. Alright, so let's start roll the ball. So we're going to add our pimento seed first to our meat. That's the star of the show, help to tenderize it. We're gonna add some garlic powder, about half teaspoon. Don't want to over season our meat. Good. We're gonna add some paprika, about half teaspoon too. Alright, half teaspoon of black pepper. Good. We're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, about half teaspoon. Yeah. We're gonna add some browning, about half teaspoon. You don't want to use a lot of browning because the browning tends to, when you use a lot, it tends to get your meat bitter. Alright, so about that amount. Also, we're gonna add some soya sauce. Good. Right? We're gonna also add some all-purpose, about a teaspoon all-purpose. We want to ensure that our meat is properly seasoned. Alright? Add some taco spice. Taco spice help to give your meat a nice little spicy taste, yeah? A little bit about a half teaspoon taco spice. Add some chili powder, half teaspoon chili powder. Alright, so we're going to add our rest of ingredients over here. All of the fresh thyme, onion, the ginger, which help to get your meat nice and ready, and then we're going to incorporate all of this seasoning, nicest seasoning up there. I'm trying to do a lot today, a lot of meat. Yeah, but I just want to show you how to make your Jamaican nice oxtail. And today is Sunday, you know? So I want to ensure that we do it thing on a Sunday. Because you know Jamaican, when they cook, you don't cook only oxtail, you know. They might cook something else with it too. So either they have some chicken or they even have some ackee and saltfish there. You know, Sunday. Yeah. So we nicely incorporate our season. We're going to cover this nicely and cook down to marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. Normally, we'll season up our meat from overnight. So that means all our meat is properly marinated and the season stays straight down to the bone. That's how we do it in Jamaica. You understand? So I going in. I'm gonna put this, leave this to marinated, and then normally the oxtail take over 2.5 hours to cook, based on the age of the oxtail. If the oxtail is more older, it will take more longer. If it is younger, it will more easier to cook. So it's a procedure that you have to keep close to. Alright, so we're going to leave this nicely, cover it, and leave it to marinate for about 2.5 hours because we're eating this today. Alright? So after about 3 hours our meat is ready to cook because they're marinated. Alright, so over here we have our pot heated. We're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, or you can use your olive oil. You're going to use this to kind of smear our meat, yeah? Bring a little coat over it. Alright, so we're going to put in our meat now, take them out piece by piece. Good. So we're going to try to give it a smear. Remember, you're not trying to add all of those pieces from your container. So you take them out piece by piece. Try not to overcrowd your pot because when you overcrowd your pot, your meat won't be able to get the space to get that color that you're looking for. Alright? Give it a nice smear. You're going to cover that. And then you're checking back in the next 2 minutes. So after a minute, when we're smearing off our meat, so we do it on both sides. Alright, you're doing both sides of the meat. Yeah? And that helps to attract that extra flavor. So you want your oxtail to have that nice, lovely flavor, you know. Alright? So we keep each side about 1.5 minutes. Yeah, look at it. Give it that nice smear. Yeah? Good. Leave that to another 30 seconds and then we're going to add our rest of the ingredients. Alright, so after 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, our next side is finished. So we're going to add a cup of water. Alright? Nice. So remember your oxtail take like 2 to 2.5 hours to cook based on the age of your meat. Alright, so you're gonna leave your fire on medium heat and allow your oxtail to slow cook. Alright, so after about 1.5 hours with your slow cooking our oxtail, you're gonna add half cup of water to our season, the bowl that we season our stuff in, and then we're gonna add it to our oxtail. Yeah, you know oxtail is a bit hard, so you have to slow cook it. Alright, so during the process, the 1.5 hours, we probably add about 2 cups of water back to it to ensure that it properly cook. Alright, so as you can see, this oxtail probably next 45 minutes it will be in good shape. Alright, so stay tuned. So after 1.5 hours, close to 2 hours, we're gonna add some ketchup to our meat just to give it a nice little flavor. Yeah, nice little flavor, making meat taste nice. Alright, we also have some broad beans that I take from the tin. I wash them to get rid of some of the brine. Oxtail can't go without your broad beans. So now I'm going to add my broad beans to my meat. And then I'm going to allow that to cook down for another 10-15 minutes. Yes, remember we're keeping it on slow cook. So 10-15 minutes and have our meat cooked down. So after 2 hours, our nice oxtail is nicely almost cooked down. But we're gonna add a few more stuff to it, right? So over here we have some nice chopped Irish. We have some nice bell pepper cut up, some green, some red. We have some fresh thyme. We also have a piece of white onion, and also we have some carrot. We're gonna add all of this nicely to our oxtail. Alright? And please remember, oxtail is a thing that slowly cook. You don't hurry to cook your oxtail because you want your oxtail to taste nice. Alright? So let's slow cook our oxtail. This is gonna serve up nicely with some nice rice and peas. Yeah? You got to cook down for nearly 5 minutes. So guys, after 2.5 hours, our oxtail is ready. Look at it. Whoa, look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Jeez. So I'm gonna serve this up nicely with some nice rice and peas. Alright? Nice rice and peas. And there you have it, guys. Our nicely Jamaican oxtail cooked up with some nice rice and peas and some vegetable and some nice salad around there. Yeah man, Jamaican oxtail. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube, Fitzroy Needham on Instagram, and Fitzroy Needham on Facebook. I hope you guys enjoy on a Sunday dinner. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings